Thank you very much, our dear Kenyans and dear viewers who are watching our content here at Mkenya TV Kenya. And we are here always to update you the latest and upcoming news here at our channel. And if you're watching our channel without subscribing, it will be that you are doing great injustice and you are not supporting progress. And all that I will urge you is that you continue subscribing into our channel so that you may be able to get more updates and more information on what is happening and the situation of our country, Kenya. At this moment, I'm going to take this time to tell you or inform you of what is happening. I'm seeing that there at Facebook, it has blown out at the account of ICC, International Criminal Court. We see that Kenyans have decided to blow out the account. Kenyans have decided to blow out the account. I'll be mixing English and Swahili. Nasemaje? Yani nahakikisha kwamba ni kuweze kukufahamisha yale yote ambayo yanazidi kujiri katika maeneo yote ya taifa ya Kenya. Tuona kwamba Wakenya wameamua kujitokeza au kujipeleka au kumpeleka Rais William Ruto katika mahakama ile ya International Criminal Court. Tukiona pale tuko na zaidi ya comment 10,000 na wote tukiona idadi kubwa ni ya Wakenya. Na nitakuwa nasoma baadhi ya comment hizi na ikionyesha kwamba Wakenya wengi wamekasirishwa kabisa na uongozi wa Rais William Ruto. Baadhi ya Wakenya, yani wale ambao wamechukua muda wao kuingilia katika comment na kuamua kucomment, na ilianza na Mkenya mmoja pale wakati siku hii ambapo International Criminal Court walikuwa na sherehe yao ya kucelebrate I think 50 years za wao kuwa katika uongozi au kuwa kama mahakama ya International Criminal Court. Na akaanza Mkenya mmoja pale, I love the way Kenyans have gathered. We are here as one nation. Unipurity Lopian akisema arrest Ruto one more time. Country, do for us justice. Hivyo ndivyo alianza. Akaja Marion Tobias, come for them. Ndio comment nyingine pale. Tiringinyi Kenya, declare the war world and wanted criminal. Why has he acquired? What has he acquired when it's clear that what happened in Kiambaa Church? Who took responsibility for burning mothers and children? Who took refuge in Kiambaa Church during the 2027 post-election violence PEV? Clifford Karani, Madam Besuda, please hear our cries as Kenyans. We are tired of your prisoner. Come and take him. Mary Fei says #arrest Ruto. Kenya is bleeding. Emoji pale za kutoa machozi zimezidi kujaa. David Gatheru, come for our rescue. Please arrest Ruto. Diki Wadmai, Neema Ambongo, #arrest William Ruto. Pembe Kembene, do you have a presence in Kenya? You should have a branch in Kenya, ICC. That is Paul Kembe. Patrick Mshila, surprisingly 90% of these comments are from Kenyans. International Criminal Court, ICC, check on this and just evaluate on what Kenyans are going through. #arrest William Ruto. #arrest them all. #arrest Kenya Kwanza puppets. Kavi Kurunga, this is time to carry them all. Emmanuel Odhiambo, #arrest Ruto. #arrest Ruto. Baba Vash, arrest Ruto. Princess Tisha, arrest Ruto now. Bonnie Woody, Bonnie Yakwar Asipes, Kenya are here for now. Arrest William Samoei Ruto. Kirugi Irungi, we plead to rescue our police are killing innocent people. Lorian Wanja, #arrest Ruto. #arrest Koome. #arrest Ruto. Victor Koech Valdez, Naomi Delmi Victor, we kwenda. Festus Gelinyuko, Kenya is bleeding and something needs to be done. Police are killing innocent people. #arrest Ruto. Johom Kohome, #arrest Ruto. The Kashwag lose tongue, #arrest Ruto. Nyoro says the leaders and local will be out ready to protect their businesses and property in case the opposition takes demos to the region. Please arrest him. We are seeing a lot of Kenyans coming out. #. Comments all over. And they are crying for ICC. Crying to Bensuda to come and see. Here are, you can see all these comments that are being displayed here. this is what Kenyans have decided to blow out a Facebook page of ICC verified account of International Criminal Court. This is the situation, and remember, this is day 2 of mass protests that have been called by Raila Amolo Odinga. Keep locked here at Kenya TV Kenya. If you have not subscribed until this time, we urge you to continue subscribing so that we may get you and keep you informed each and every time. Till next time, bye.